guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, we have got Gucci in for a gel polish design today. So I wanted to use the two glow in the dark gel polishes what I got in my last Born Pretty PR. So we're going to be using colour NG001 and NG004, which is a white and yellow. As always, Gucci's giving me no clue as to what kind of designs you want, so I'm just going to do what I want. So I'm going to do a little French daisy design today. I thought that would be great, seeing as though we're now in spring. So I'm going to lay my base colour down first. So I've pulled out the Born Pretty Pro, and it's the rubber base gel RBG03. It's a really nice base colour this is. I like it. So I'm going to do that on the index finger, middle finger and ring finger. And then on the pinky nail, I'm going to be using the NG001, which is the yellow.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Pop them in the lamp to cure. Right, so they're all fully cured. I did go in with a second coat off camera. Now, because I'm going to be doing artwork on some of these, I'm going to go over and seal all those base colours in with the Born Pretty matte top coat. I just find doing artwork so much nicer doing it on a matte surface.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Cure those. Right, so they are now all matted out, ready for some artwork. So I'm going to do the middle nail first, and I'm going to do a white French tip using the white glow in the dark from Born Pretty, colour NG004. And to do a French tip, I like to just go in with the brush out the bottle. Just start with then I'm going to go in with my striping brush and neaten that up. Like that. Then give that a cure in the lamp. We're going to do the same on these two nails, but we're going to use the yellow glow in the dark, which is NG001. Give that a cure. Now with my nail art brush and that yellow, I'm going to paint a cuticle cuff on this middle nail. Right, now I'm using a dotting tool. I'm going to do the little daisies. So I'm going to do dot, 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 dot. Like that. And then I'm just going to pull those in. Like that. Same on this one. Then I've pulled out a striping brush and I'm just going to do 2 little flicks either side of those daisies using the white. And then I'm going to pop the yellow dot in the middle of the daisies and then we're going to top coat them. And then pop them in the lamp to cure. So now they're all ready for top coat, guys. So I think I'm going to give them a, I really want to go matte, but I think I'm going to go shiny to make a change. Don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to go shiny to make a change. Nearly always want to choose matte, so yeah, I'm going to go with shiny today. So I'm going to be using the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. This top coat is amazing, guys. Really good top coat. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant. It doesn't lose its colour. It's anti-yellowing. And it just stays shiny for so long. And then pop them in the lamp for one final cure. And that'll be them all done. So that is them all done. Cute little yellow and white daisy set. They're not as neat as they could have been. Guys, I really need glasses badly. I'm finding when I'm doing little bits like this or when I'm coming up the sides doing a French smile line, it goes so blurry. it goes really, really blurry. So I definitely need to get my eyes tested this week. This week, pronto, because yeah, I'm struggling quite badly now. So they're not as neat as they could be, but I still think they're cute. Great for this time of year. Should we have a quick look at them glowing in the dark before I let you all get off? So I'll give them a charge and we'll take a look at them. Look at those. How bright do they glow? I love glow in the dark stuff. Oh wow, they are glowing so bright. I'm a big kid when it comes to glow in the dark stuff. I like them. I like them even more now they glow in the dark. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So everything that I've used today I'm going to leave in my description box below. I've also got a Born Pretty discount code as well, guys, which is GG10. So if you want to save yourself some money on the Born Pretty website, don't forget to use that. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as well. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.